The Bio 101 Partnering System homepage is the starting point for your partnering experience. The navigation bar at the top is your quick access to Profile, Search, Calendar, and Message Center. Click New Request to quickly send a new meeting request, and you can view your bookmarks here. Click on your headshot in the upper right-hand corner to access your notifications preferences. If you see a gray silhouette here instead of a photo, click Edit Your Personal Profile to add your headshot. The left-hand side panel gives you a snapshot of what's happening in your account. Company profile completion rate, meeting request dashboard, scheduled meetings. You can download your schedule here, and view your colleagues that also have access to the account. In the center, you will find a search bar so you can run a quick search directly from this page. Underneath is a section commonly used to highlight conference-related news and updates, so check back here often. Along the right-hand side, you will find self-help tools like these tutorials, as well as important partnering updates and contact information. We also tend to put topical webinars here as well, so look out for those. That's our tour of the Bio 101 Partnering System homepage. Thank you for watching. Should you have any questions, please reach out to us at biopartnering@bio.org.